Hey y'all, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Hawaiian pulled pork sandwiches.
If you're a kid like me, make sure to have help from an adult with an oven or a knife. Thanks for watching Mama's Kitchen. Hope you have a great cooking experience.
So let's get started. Okay, this is a large onion that I've kind of wedged up, and we're going to put it on the bottom of the crock pot. Then we're going to put the juice, and then the last thing we're going to put the meat in there. Okay, I've mixed part of the Dr. Pepper in with the brown sugar. I'm going to pour it in. Then we'll pour in this other one. Then we're going to put 24 ounces of Dr. Pepper in. I took part of it and mixed it with that brown sugar. And then I'm going to put in this. It's a total of 24 ounces of Dr. Pepper. Okay, we're going to salt and pepper it real good. And this is like almost 7.5 pound pork butt. Salt it all over. And we're going to put the flat side down. And we're going to put the lid on and make sure it's real tight. And cook it for 8 hours on high. Okay, I'm going to check our pork here and see if it's done enough. It needs to be fallen off the bone. And this looks like it might be a little chewy. So I'm going to leave it in here for 1 more hour and then we'll check it. Okay, this is how it looks at 8 hours. It's not quite ready. We're going to cook another hour. Okay, we're going to check it again here. See if it's tender enough. Well, yeah, it's falling off the bone. Okay, we're going to take it out and let it set a while and cool before we can pull it apart. Okay, so it's been a total of 9 hours and it's tender enough. We're going to take it out and let it cool down some so we can pull it. See, it is falling off the bone now. That's the way you want it. I think that's good. Okay, just let it cool a while. Okay, now we're going to pull the pork away from the fat after it's good and cooled off. What I use is Head Country. I'm going to probably put this whole small container of the barbecue sauce on, but that would be kind of your preference, how much you like. Just going to mix it in. There, we use most of it. Now mixed up good, and all we'll do is warm up some Hawaiian buns here and eat it. Okay, I got the Hawaiian rolls here. We're pedaling it on, and then we'll put it in the microwave. Okay, we're gonna put it in here and microwave it for like 25 seconds or so. What do you think?
24 ounces and 2 tablespoons.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
You're ready.
Then, well, there was a little bit gone.